This video will review with you how to check out your grades in the My Grades section and how Mrs. Roeder does give feedback, kind of understanding a little bit about my logic for assigning grades. So when you're in your class, whether you have world literature or British literature, I'm just using world literature as an example, but you go to the My Grades section. And when you get to the screen, you should see something like this. In this case, I've already uploaded an assignment and graded it, and then your upcoming assignments will be here. Now these will be in order once the Grade Center is handled properly, but you can look just at the comments. You can view the rubric, which in this case has some comments on it, or you can view the description of the item. What I would click on is this item right here, which is the main screen. And here's the submission. This would be what you submitted. And I wrote here, I can respond in this box if it's a short response, or I can attach a file. I want to make it clear to you that you can type in the submission box if it's a short answer or something that requires a couple sentences or a direct answer. But if it needs to be more lengthy, you're probably going to want to type in a Word document so you can spell check it and it'll look somewhat nice. And if it's an essay or a short essay, you'll want to spell check it, grammar check it. And my feedback that I wrote here in this case is see the rubric and the attached file for specific comments. So you would have submitted this file, and this is your direct response. So this is yours, and this is yours. And then I'm the grader. So here I said see the rubric and the attached file for specific comments. Now here's the rubric. So let's look here. And I wrote here the main learning target that you were looking at in this assignment was 6.1 key ideas. And when we look at key ideas, I wrote here, great job including all the important information. So that's my feedback, and it's definitely advanced. But you'll also see that for this assignment, while 6.1 was the main area, I also looked at conventions, because in this case I'm saying you need to go back and check for spelling and grammar errors. Now the main focus of this assignment was 6.1, which was key ideas, but I also marked this. So you'll see that's a 4, which is advanced, and this is a 2, which is not proficient. And overall I gave it a score of a 3. If you want to earn a 4 on this assignment, you'd have to go back and remediate the area, which is spelling and grammar. So that'll give you an idea of what you need to look at and which assignments would be remediated and how you would remediate. And all you would have to do is fix what needs to be fixed. Now I also attached a document here, and if you give me a long paper you will get something back like this. I'll rename it exactly what you named your document, but it'll say with comments. So in this case I took the submission, and when you click on this you can open it up. Sorry about that. And when I open it up, you'll see I made some changes. And you can see easily here that the original looks like this. But as we look at the revised version, there's some extra writing on it. Now I use something in Word called the Review Tools, which is up here, and that enables me to put some comments on here. So here my comment was sad but concise headline, so saying that you submitted this and you actually added that headline. I also crossed this out, meaning that shouldn't be there. You'll see it notes everything that happened here. I made a change here. I said, be careful here. You need to make sure you spell out your numbers in MLA. So you would go back there and read that comment and try to figure out what had happened there. So this is just another way that I give you feedback, especially in a long paper. You'll get a lot of detailed feedback like that. And after you're done looking at your paper, you can say, okay. And if you'd like to do another submission, you're going to have to go back actually into the assignment itself and open a new attempt at the grade. So I hope that explains a little bit better of how to navigate the class and how to look at your grade center and the ways that I give feedback. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks again. I look forward to working with you.